everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at just a gorgeous 1971 Plymouth GTX, real car, guys, not a clone. Love this color combination. It is factory FE5 red with the white vinyl top and the white interior. Of course, it's got that white factory stripe along the bottom there. Car has a great look, really nicely done. Air Grabber hood car. It is a factory U code 440 car that now they've added the 6-pack to, so it's not an original V-code car. It was a U-code 440 4-barrel car from the factory. I apologize, it's out here misting a little bit. I shot the pictures, I got the pictures posted the other day for this car, and then things got crazy, we got super busy, and I was never able to shoot the videos, so I'm just going to try to get through this and power through it, and we'll just have to deal with the mist. Love the color combination. Again, Air Grabber hood car, which is super cool. One of my favorite Mopar options. I think really the coolest Mopar option, and it does work. Sorry, this is you're just seeing mist, guys. I apologize. Not a whole lot to really nitpick on the car. It is an older restoration. There's a couple little touch-up marks as you walk around it. I think late 2000s is when they said this car was restored. Slick paint. I love the red with the white, man. That's just gorgeous. Really pops. That dash in there is nice. It's got the dual chrome mirrors on it. Good, solid, straight body. It's body color underneath. So when this car was done, it was actually rotisserie done. It's got the go wing. You can see it's got the machine gun tips. It's just a good, beautiful little Mopar. It's got 15-inch Rallyes on the back, 14s on the front, BF Goodrich Radial T's all the way around it. Slick car. Again, you can look under and see its body color underneath. Seeing the fender wells are all body color. It's got the chin spoilers. It's not a matching numbers engine. I believe it's a warranty block because there's no VIN actually on the block down there. So it should be a warranty block. Again, they've added the 6-pack carbs and intake, factory Air Grabber hood, power steering. It's got manual brakes. It's got stock exhaust manifolds on it. You can see they put all the inspector markings on it. Mopar radiator with shroud. Of course, the 727 Torqueflite automatic trans. Stuff like this, a little stampings, and all your little tags are on it. Got original red car, factory N96 Air Grabber hood car. Detailed up real nice underneath the hood. I think I said it, but 727 Torqueflite automatic trans. Good looking car, man. Real good looking car. Full mirrors are real nice. The stainless and stuff's real nice. Door handles look good. Yeah, it's cool how they did that. I believe it's got all the original body panels. I didn't think we could see where anything had been changed. It's got the remote mirror. Bucket seats, center console, factory dash. Looks like it's got all the correct seat belts in it. Showing 33,000. I'm sure that's 133. Dash is really nice. Oh, the one gauge that does not work is the oil pressure. They put an aftermarket one down there. 8 3/4 rear ends. Ordered from the factory with a 391 sure grip in it, which is pretty cool. Factory jack with the old bias ply spares in here. Again, you can see it's all body color. Looks like original pans. 2 broadcast sheets. This is an order sheet. You can see it was ordered factory with a 391. Breakdown of your fender tag. Just a dealership ad there. Again, it's been done for a while, but very well maintained. I've hurt my shoulder, guys. I can't get that hand to operate like that. Seats are nice. They've definitely been redone. Pretty car. Go ahead and fire it up. It does have your factory chrome mirrors. Car runs and drives real good. And now you put these pins in it, I can't do it with my left shoulder. Again, the only thing out there that's not working is your oil pressure gauge. That works down below. Radio does work, factory AM, FM radio. Your air grabber's functional. Oh, I think we got a light out on the right side. We'll have to check it. Again, make sure we keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram, our Facebook page, our TikTok page. Definitely register for our YouTube page. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video, guys. You now can subscribe to southernmotors.com too, so make sure you do that as well. Make sure you verify your email when you do that.